As you see from the MFC communique, the membership's view is that the economic outlook is improving, although subject to downside risks. We have made a lot of progress in overcoming the crisis and achieved greater financial stability. Now our efforts should focus more on preserving the growth momentum and enhance resilience.
Policies from the Trump administration, tomorrow's...
Gemma Tetlow from the Financial Times. Also to compare this statement to what happened last October.
The use of the word protectionism is very ambiguous. And therefore, in different sections of the communique, the issue of the contribution of trade to growth, the issue of promoting level playing field in international trade was mentioned. No, so I mean it depends how it is a glass half full, half empty.
Protectionism, but this reference has disappeared.
Our final goal is just to take advantage of trade. Nobody denies that, no? And I think everybody is in line that we need free and fair trade. And I think that is what is really reflected in the communique.
Agenda here, no matter what happens to these other.
We recognize that trade, financial integration, and technological progress have brought vast benefits, improving living standards and lifting hundreds of millions out of poverty. However, the prolonged period of low growth has brought to the fore the concerns of those who have been left behind. Now, as the communique states, and I quote, "It is important to ensure that everyone has the opportunity to benefit from global economic integration and technological progress."
I want to clarify a little bit about the facilitation of multilateral solutions.
There was a clear recognition in the room that we have probably moved from high financial and economic risks to more geopolitical risks. There was also a clear recognition in the room that policies going forward are going to be needed in order to move from that growth momentum to more sharing and more inclusive growth. And we had a lot of discussions on these issues.
Esta quizás es una suerte de recorrido con el que cierra usted.
The more inclusive the growth, probably the less risk there is of inward-looking policies. So it's critically important, actually, to be encouraged as an institution to work on this issue of inclusive growth within countries, across generations. And you can use fiscal for that by having growth-friendly fiscal policies, by making a better use of the fiscal space that is available, and certainly by looking deeply into productivity and what is going to be conducive to more productivity.